OKFM 101.7.
Yanko MP for South Dai so Honorable Dafiamapo the name komo. Honorable Noache. Nabako de. Ye bako kasa no we chire kakra. Yo ye joso. Na mama ntie we de waye mrani mu ni. Na no na mete see as parliament mu hia ye more directing General Legal Counsel. Sir, any that wamuntwe no ma admit all the 499 students. Na afei ayi Godfrey Odame attorney general nhwe se saa de nso ayadwum. Since when na parliament benya sa powers no over the judiciary to the extent of directing them to give admissions?
Oh, Kwame Medase. Edikai General Legal Counsel enye judicial organ.
Dia
A creature of statutes. Any of the state institution the Act of Parliament a creature. In fact, Act 32, Legal Professional Act, any the creature General Legal Counsel. And yet part of the judiciary. And no say for the
but you should the composition. Okay.
Bebre are falling to that mistaken belief. The Akobani said you created General Legal Counsel representation no NISA judges, ama judges abafu. And by running to say no, who said chairman now? Chairman no the sitting Chief Justice. And a count be you say 4 other senior judges of the Supreme Court. And so Bekano. And at a glance, no, General Legal Counsel Nkwano Ekita 5 Supreme Court judges. All of them the senior most Supreme Court judges. 5. That was so. Your Attorney General Nkasa and so was so. And the Dean of the Faculty of Law, once that no na legal pay. Ono na waso. So ono ane baso yen supply. And the Dean of one other new faculties are Abba. Eto via your tech and answer UCC. And the President's representative. And representation from Ghana Bar. And at a glance, no sir. Now, I could say the Judicial Council, but it is not. It is a normal state institution, and it is not part of the judiciary. And indeed, Parliament has been directing General Legal Counsel. But
can you give us a precedent?
So let me offer the education. So there is nothing like independence of function. In the performance of their functions, they are not independent. They are subject to our direction. Because Oko Article 1033, we are giving the power as Parliament to establish committees that will take charge and supervise ministries and departments and state institutions. So the General Legal Counsel established pursuant to Act 32 is a state institution that comes under the direct influence and direction of Parliament, especially doing so through the Minister of Justice and Attorney General. And let nobody argue that you need to me a bit directed General Legal Counsel. When we over 3 years ago, now almost fairly students will be out of 1,800 students. Almost admitted only 128, issues named by Parliament. And no petition for remarking. Me a charging nipa back with 3,000 Ghana. Yet directive of the Omonko Sessikano, they should refund it. No munji by 500. They comply. And this is not the first time.
Lawyer, Mammy Musa question we. What my education said they are not autonomous, said ye binum hunum.
They are not autonomous at all.
Among for lawyer for no, any lawyer Kwame Jan. Winning no, watch radio legon.
Oh, yeah, me professor, on a chairman landlord, on a professor, Josiah.
Just I. Oh, wow.
In 2005.
Hey, I check. Now, or say, Parliament more directly. Okay, the back so I'm fine. What can you do?
Exactly. Exactly. You come, in fact, in 2 or 3 weeks' time, they will bring their budget for approval. So let's
what you mafia bra?
Mafia,
for want of a better word.
Yes, I know, I understand you. Mina me mo ejuma. Mina me mo ska edma odi yo. Na ejuma me parliament mama otu mi say ye no. Ebi ni say admit students or admit applicants and train them in professional law. So in the course of performing that function, who hears the kind of the aye? And yes, sir. It is a whole catch parliament so. Nipa na ma pass e so mo ba no. Afi wo mo do so. E sin space aye wo. E ti mi ni o mo na. Na me parliament so oh. Wo de jiwom. Francophone ni na jiwom. Never by bill bra na mi moska na kwa expansion na. Usu unye. Unye de anya me fa bill imrani. It's as simple as that.
Now, Mammy, radio with you.
Okay, FM.
Various governing councils, no, they are various universities, no. Because you need lawyer Kwame Jan grading common was say, Sadia we, Sibokokra, and the Huruna, no. Sadia we went to me from Malegonda. And while I know,
no, me Professor Kwame Jan, because a Juma Wayo man. He deserves to be called a professor. Maybe or a senior lecturer, but my friend a professor. He is missing the point. He is missing the point. There's a semi-autonomous status granted the university councils. And Ukraine, the appointments are also institutional. President appoints the chancellor and chairman of the governing council. But other institutions are representation. They won't do what the General Legal Council is doing. They will listen to wisdom. The General Legal Council is a creature of statutes. They are accountable to another entity. Well, I mean, you know, only last year, General Legal Council, apart from 1,045 students, almost passes social year. Only almost have
Send any Ghana has a beer.
When you're Ghana, if you are not clean, you don't do things like this. As an institution, who say exams now, so 1,045 and a patient who do. I mean, that is known to the public. No one for particular. No one for jinxophobia. Now, I don't know, friend, concessional admission.
Maybe within their remit, it's permissible.
Maybe.
Okay.
So you see, you the General Legal Council, you are not clean. Your hands are not clean.
If I say concessional admission, you are bribe. Oh,
that one would be bribe and send out the concessional admission that made them.
Okay, FM.
Do you understand me? So you don't become unreasonable. If you think that you can admit some other people to the law school on concessional grounds, then why are you refusing to admit others on grounds of merit? That is the issue. In any case, last year, more admitted over 1,000 students. Why is it that this year you are saying that you will not admit over 1,000 students? What is the basis?
No way.
Maybe, and also be COVID-19, well, see, 1,000 students, over 1,000 students now who admitted of last year, who running multi-track system. Multi-track, no, I said titina ye ku school anopa ku wia no ebiba no pa ne bia baby na bia banwumre. In addition to that no se sia won hia edom be apem normal metra class asa na what your made. You are delivering anopa ya me no ka say almost starting lecture for IPS na kohwe. They are delivering the lectures via Zoom. In comfortity or office, entity or fee, ebi or computer. They are participating in the lecture. They are receiving lectures and they are listening to the lecturer. Enti enye dom na ebe kwa kwatena law school biom say ye from civil procedure and say ye from company law and say law of taxation. Enye sa dim. It is even a basis say law school no ebe admitting for bebree as in the omoje last year what the 1,000 I feel we don't say only money 2,000 and this and the cost no 4994 case no and this I say in see that it's and say we no such no mutai but also only one what of file paper or court say who needs space a toss of you you use your discretionary power. But Article 296 is very clear. Sir. You cannot use your discretionary powers whimsically and capriciously. So you must exercise discretion reasonably. Now, maybe so, Kwame. So, Obienya 65. Now, one, no Obienya 50. Now, Jina. Kwame, Ukra Unsu.
Ebi wo ho a wo hwe n'anim no a wotim se we wanyini wa anye no a ba we na onye 65 no young.
Kwame, Ubu Mainsa, Odo, how the go.
Yes, you buy it to Tia no.
I Ubu Mainsa, and none at your house back. So,
don't mind me, Lord, don't mind me.
Minim. Kwame, Yenyani is Susiano, a Juma nya ayedin, especially in the public sector. But law is one of the professions that we are buying interventions to start work.
And pension, so long as you can practice.
Yes, and it's a law. No, school people they do license power. Who bet the office? No starting here bill man for. I'm running more say you can recruit workers. The Amrani say want to me and say as a young lawyer no. Want to me unfaithful lawyer. This is wait 7 years. And then I wait to recruit
7 years grand chenaba.
Exactly. If you call me yet 20 more lawyers we'll be creating more avenues for people to go to earn a living.
Now lawyer.
And then number 2. Many OPK. You call up public accounts. I bet they say the assemblies need lawyers. Assemblies need no, as I say, at least one legal officer, Edima Assembly, or any municipal way. No, be. Until 99 of the infractions now, over Auditor General's report in them. So, Omunya lawyers and our lawyers guide one. So we need, as our mind, we even need lawyers in the public sector, a lot of the public sector agencies. You need be electoral commission, you hear lawyers for all the district offices. Omunibi.
Lawyer.
Maybe national ID card. They are opening district offices. You need lawyers to be able to help them because what they are doing is all procedural. You are issuing. Look, you are determining citizenship of people. You need lawyers at the district offices to be guiding. You only need lawyers. So how can we say that as a people we don't need lawyers? And above all, Kwame, and yet obi mokolano and court to say me. David. A lot of people are they want to acquire the legal training. Send a bear a bit more at the fufa a jumafu for omoye. Me class. Me doctor for very 5 in a law school. No more medical practitioner, but on by lawyers. Dr. Youngson, Ghana Medical Association.
Ghana Medical Association, yeah.
Yes, medical general secretary no. No, you're me junior 1 year. No, you're me junior 1 year. But Wabe a lawyer, in addition to his medical profession, it will make him a better doctor.
Okay. Now, no way.
So we are getting cases of medical malpractice, any medical negligence. So, lawyers.
No, Mami no we see. And for the petition, students need the petition by. But rules of natural justice actually say, "Nan kese se musumu fre General Legal Council for
Kwame.
Yeah.
Kwame. So they be a one say and fufu better no fine. Assembly theater so krumano ben na otwemi ansa na parliament.
Ba bibia nse mu kwan se mo be frɛ wo mo na
neba Kwame. The esi aye fro say appreciate opinion no so ewo ho. When nya asem a wo be frɛ General Legal Council say identity na mo se mu nyinko. Nkofo na pa wo se bu metro so say. So
that in all fairness, you know, also got to one side of the story.
Kwame.
Yes.
What the mom when you call for no near traffic.
Now this one bed you want me say the agree.
Kwame. Me say me person make but procedurally no speaker ever prepare directive na say parliamentary way no a several attorney general no a several general legal council. And not pay me so that is what their friend to have to communicate the directives of parliament to them. Yes, everyone. Some comply, some comply.
One more petition on the buy and Mutias based on the rules of the examination.
Kwame.
Hello.
We didn't act upon the petition. This is a matter of great public interest.
Oh!
On that basis, Parliament took a decision.
Okay.
It is a General Legal Council established by an enactment of this Parliament. So,
but established by the enactment of this Parliament, you know, are you the enforcers?
Kwame, I am part of the enforcement. And now, Mrs. Semra, why do you think I have oversight?
Okay.
If I'm not part of the enforcement, why do I have oversight? Exactly.
Okay. No,
I am empowered by the Constitution to even inquire into your administration.
Okay.
Yes. I read the article 1033. And will be another Kwame.
There will be another question. I mean, Minister,
who say Crawford do about this or Parliament need to but all the 2 minutes read article 1033.
Okay.
Obia Kasa also on 1033. A lot of people haven't read that.
103 clause 3.
Yes.
Okay. Lo meda sepa na
kan wo wiem na nkofo ndi.
And that kan sisi afacho. Ayi asare mo won so no ma bie fufuo. E won te wi abedi bi.
Kwame wo haju. Kwame your parliament.
Oh, mate. Say mo ma break ya na watumirika na ehia wo ho na. Ya ni boko. Meda se. Baba. Yo. Honorable Roxon Dashiamakpo eye mrenimu ni MP for Sadai ni na twenko. Me pa me chow.
OKFM 101.7